Hi guys, it's me, K-Card. So for this video, I'm gonna share that I have this group sa K-Pop Photo Card Trading Center. So actually, medyo matagal na rin to. And for this video, gagawin ko is, I left questions kasi dun sa about sa channel, kung ano yung gusto nilang gawin, and ano yung pwedeng i-suggestion or what. And then, may nag-message sa akin sa, Messenger, and asking kung bakit di daw na-approve yung membership niya. And yeah, unfortunately, medyo naging busy kasi ako this week. So, ayun na nga. I-manage natin siya. So, before, ayan, meron ng mga request na hindi pa na-approve. Yun yung reason bakit hindi pa bakit hindi sila makapag-post kasi hindi pa sila na-approve as members. So, ang gagawin natin, may nag-report ng free, looking for what to sell, looking for buyer, free PF. What's PF? I don't know what's PF. So, let's just remove yung report. And then, approvals. Ito naman, sino yung mga members na i-approve na lang yung post. Approve, mga naghahanap ng cards. So, yeah, let's approve. Approve. Cards, approve. Albums. Actually, this is a K-pop. Pero sige, it's okay. Actually, I'm considering the albums kasi sa loob naman ng albums, meron din naman kasing photo card. Ito naman, what's this? Thank you so much. Get yun na, please. Mag-picture, photo card. May related ba? Maybe, let's decline it kasi hindi naman siya kasama sa photo card. Let's maintain the photo card trading. Ang dami pala nito. 6 na lang. Oh, wait. Pending chats. Teka. What's this? Sealed album. Anyway, so, ayun nga. For this video, papakita ko mamaya yung mga request nila. Para, may idea tayong lahat kung ano yung pwedeng gawin sa channel. Kasi, cool yung ideas na iba. Actually, nasilip ko na siya kanina. But let's just approve this one na lang muna. Okay, anyways. Mga chats kasi to. Oh, here. There's one more approved post. And this one too. Ayan, okay. So, let's now go to participants. So, tignan natin, okay, kung ano yung So, all. Yeah, lahat ng mga sumagot and hindi sumagot, tignan natin. Actually, kung hindi ka naman sumagot or hindi ka naman nag-subscribe, okay lang, syempre i-accept pa rin kita. I mean, like, I just wanted to see yung suggestions. So, let's see yung mga suggestions. Ito. Also, any suggestions of activities besides from giveaway unboxing, feel free to leave some. I would love to hear them. So, wala siyang suggestion, sure lang. Yeah, let's approve him. IDK, wala silang. Yung kasi iniwan kong question. Ayan, kung meron bang suggestion sila, besides sa ginagawa nating unboxing giveaway, kung meron pa bang ibang pwedeng gawin sa channel. Kasi, medyo parang boring na siya, diba? I mean, like, hindi na siya active, unlike before. So, yeah, what's this? Free pull or unsold albums if they're buying minimum of 300 pesos items. O, pwede. Kada 300 may something. Sige, i-screenshot ko yung mga suggestions para at least may idea ko. Oh, noted. Okay. What's this? Selling. Yeah, actually, I sold. Oh, wala na I'm not selling na kasi lately, no? Sige, let's have this suggestion as well. What else? Approve. Okay. Live. Oh, live. Pwede. Cool ng mga suggestions, Live. What else? 400 plus pala to, no? I'll make it quick. Okay na po lahat. Big sales. Okay, pwede. Para ma-out na yung mga gamit ko. That's nice. What else? Trading PCs? Like parang trading event. Pwede. That's nice. None of. Wala naman daw. Okay. Wait lang itatry ko pahiga yung phone ko kasi para mas mabilis Oh, di ba? Mas mabilis. Teka, ang dami pala. Teka. Ganito. Isosort ko na lang siya sa mga nag-answer. Wait lang Sorry. I'll sort it para hindi sayang time, para hindi kayo ma-bored. Punta ako sa questions and then yung sa mga nag-answer na lang. Answered all questions. Ayan. So, ito yung mga sumugot. Wow, 254 pala yung mga sumugot na. Okay. Race Doc. Guess the pick. Games. Pwede Wait, screenshot natin. Nix. Suggestion ni Nix. Thanks. I did this before. Photo card pooling sa mga group orders. Kaso nag-stop nga ako. Actually, alam nyo, meron nung nag-pandemic, ang dami nag-message sa akin. Paano daw nagka-card? Wait lang, can you please notice me? Gusto niya ng EXO photo card. Dati kasi may EXO rin ako Actually, may mga nag-message sa akin nga kung paano daw ba yung photo card pooling. Kasi tinatanong sila ng ibang shop, no? Photo card sharing. Giveaway na ata to Pero sige, screenshot natin. Ayun nga, yung card pooling concept, nami-miss nata ng iba. I think playing some K-pop games? Sige. Pwede. We can consider that para hindi boring, no? Scrapbooking of album dupes. Actually, napagtripan ko to before yung sa Queendom, pero hindi ko siya tinuloy kasi, what happened back then was that, parang nahinayang ata ako, pero sige, dupes naman siya, why not? Parang art, no? Gusto ko yun. I'll try that. What's this? Online PC trade wall. Whoa, what's this? Wait. Bet ko siya. Sino nag-message ito? I think, shout out, Rain De Leon. I-message natin siya. Parang, first time ko siya narinig. Online PC trade wall. I'm not that familiar, pero, sounds interesting. Free pieces of, unfortunately, may help lang kita. Actually, medyo parang, bet ko nga yung 17 lately. Pati yung TXT. Kasi may napanood akong challenge. Yung random dance play nila. So, cool rin pala yung dalawang group. Stray Kids ang discover with that. Pero sige, let's screenshot that. Mga suggestions. Approve. None, thank you. I really don't know. Sorry. It's okay. I just wanted to hear you out. I suggest trading too. Photo card trading. Actually, selling. I am a seller which is not active na nga. Namiss ko na actually mag-sell, mag-buy and sell. Pero, wala talaga kasing time. Pero, sige. Maybe in the future, if I have someone to help me. Live pooling, I did this rin before. Namimiss ko na yung mga ginagawa ko, no? I want sell all my photo card. Parang, meaning niya is parang i-help ko siya i-sell. Tama ba? So, it's nice. Wait, no extra suggestions po. Thank you. Still, concert vlogs. I did this, but not all. I mean, sa main ko lang. Pero, nice. Alam mo, natutuwa ako sa mga suggestions sa mga tao kasi hindi ko naisip yung mga naisip nila. And I'm PM and biddings. Ay, nako. Actually, meron ako nitong auction na group. Ito, actually, that was like more than 5 years ago, before pandemic ba? Na nagpapa-bid ako, auction. Reactions, sige. Pag nag-lose ako ng weight, kasi pakita yung face ko kasi taba-taba ko lately. Libre dapat SF. Free shipping. Pag bumili ka, pwede naman. Depende. Actually, if you have voucher dati kasi nagpapa-free shipping din ako before. Overall good, thank you. Try doing random pullings. I did it before. But yeah, I think people are missing it. No? Meron akong record nito, yung whole house. Yung parang random bili-bili ng maramihan. Of course, you can join. Approve. Sale to first mine basis. Paunahan. They're good, RD. Gracias. Okay. We love K-pop. We'll sell here. Yes. Fun bidding talaga, bidding. Sorry, di ko na shoutout yung name. Pero, para at least anonymous na rin. Pero, ano ba masusunod nyo? Next time, maybe I can improve. I don't know if I should show the names or what. Or this will be much more easier. I mean, faster. I would like to request and join your... Of course, you can. Approve, noted. Newbie here. Packing. I did it before. Documentation of packaging. Every month yan before. Masipag ako before Lalo na nung nag-pandemic. Talaga lahat talaga, kada week actually. Kada week pa ata. Kada month pala. Comment kayo sino bias nyo. Yung parang ano, no? Ay, pwede yun na. Parang Paul ba? Kung sino yung ano. I don't know po. It's okay. Okay. Hi. What's this? Reaction. Uy, pangalawa na to Gusto niyo akong mag-reaction? Sige, pwede rin. Giveaway photo cards by a game. Bring me! Bilang namin ito before nung Christmas party. Before kasi nag-host ako ng event, free lang din. Sa activities po, yung pinakamaraming points will receive something from admins. Activities. Yung mga active siguro. Active dito sa group, pwede. Be seller or mga free claim. Okay, that's nice. Actually, I did that before, pero wala na kasi talagang time. As of now, okay, I'm considering it if someone could help me manage it. Kasi ayoko parang mag-open ng, game night kada gabi. Pwede. That's nice. Actually, ayoko kasi mag-open ng GO kung hindi ko siya kayang i-handle. So, the most is lately kapag parang, nade-delay siya sometimes, which is really ayaw ko mag-delay kasi, syempre, ako mismo ayaw ko mag-wait, diba? Why would I ask other people to wait? So, yeah. Binabalik ko siya kapag me time ako. For me, maybe fun bidding. Maraming may gusto ng fun bidding, no? Kasi pag sabi mo fun bidding, it's more of parang no commitment. Tama ba pagkaintindi ko? Which is not bad. Meron ako yan before. Binder tour, merch tour. Sige, I'll do this. Kasi I'm planning to go to Korea soon. So, maybe I can do that. Fun biddings. Ang dami may gusto ng fun biddings. For fun na. K-auction. Meron yan Okay po. Yeah, sige, ibabalik natin yung K-auction. Pag sige, actually, ganun. I just want to buy and sell here. Actually, yun yung balak ko. Sige, gawin natin yung fun bidding. Random post. Card pulling ata, siguro yung meaning niya. We have 174. Bilisan ko na on the party kayo maboard. Okay. Okay. Cup sleeve event. Uy, alam mo, natutuwa ako sa mga suggestions nila. I didn't expect na, yung mga interest nila. Medyo cool din pala. It's okay. Don't be sorry. Ano ba yan? Okay, maging sorry. I'm actually happy na interested kayo to join this group. BTS. Bidding po. Bidding talaga, no? Actually, meron akong K-auction group. Sige, ibabalik ko yun. Tapos, yung sa K-auction group, ang maganda doon is,